This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for the course of Python. See, in this lecture, I am going to tell you an alternative that can be used to run Python programs.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Most of us prefer to use an IDE like PyCharm, but if for any reason you don't have any IDE, still you can run your Python programs if Python is installed. Now, how to do that? First, what we will do is we will go to computer, and after that C drive and users. Within users, you will have the username that you are logged in. So my username is Mahajans. Yours will be whatever you have given. So it is Mahajans. In your case, it will be your username. Now after that, click on this bar and press you can press backward slash, and after that you will give app data, right? Then press enter. App data is most of the times this is the hidden folder. That is why I have told you to type it yourself. After that you will go to local. In the local folder you will find another folder with the name programs. Double click on it. Then you will find another folder Python. Double click on it. Then it will be your Python version, like I have this folder Python 37-32. Double click on it. And this is the folder that we will be setting as we will be using in the path environment variable. I will just tell you in a while how to set the path. Okay. So here I will show you a file which is an application python.exe. This one python.exe. Now this is the Python interpreter. This Python interpreter will be used to execute your Python programs. Okay, so go to the address bar, select the whole path, then press Ctrl C in order to copy it on the clipboard, because I am going to use it in the control panel. And after that, close it. Now go to control panel, start control panel, then choose system and security, right? After system and security, choose system. Okay, then choose advanced system settings. After that you will find a window, and in this window you will find a button with the prompt environment variables. These are the variables belonging to the operating system that you are using, and they help in different tasks when you work in softwares or programming languages. Click on environment variables, then go to system variables box. System variables. Here you will find an environment variable with the name path. Double click on it. You will see the various paths which have been set. What I will do is I will go to the last, press semicolon without giving any space. After semicolon I will press Ctrl V, so that the whole path that I had copied will be pasted here. Then click on OK. OK, that's it. OK, right. Now see, my purpose of setting the path is so that I can go to any folder and I can execute the Python program. What I will be doing is I will show you in the next lecture. I will be writing a small program in Notepad, and then I will go to the folder where I have saved the program, and by using that Python application file at python.exe, I will be executing the program on the console.